Okay, so we're going to start and put together some grade books. I did these already. You can see that they are ready to go. I have it says import Google, but that does not arrive until you make a connection in your gradebook. So to connect your gradebooks to Google, you go to an already made gradebook and press add website and then the link button. And then you'll see all of your Google Classrooms that you have under your name that are connected to your email. So now that it's successfully linked, you could also start a gradebook from there, a Google Classroom from there if you had not already built one. And that was that other side of the tag where it says make a Google Classroom or something. So now I could do import assignments. And you can see right here is to import them. It has the two classes that I've done, AP and AP Draw. And then I press import, and it goes through the process of importing straight from Google all of the assignments that you would need. Okay, and then once it's done, it tells me, oh, there's 7 assignments in Google, but 0. So I realized that was because I had put a wrong due date that was not outside of the range. So I fixed that. And now I'm headed over to show you that all my assignments were there. Later on, I realized that I needed to change my assignments. They didn't come in with the correct category. To change the assignments, I needed to go into assignments, and I could see that the categories were wrong. Here they're right, but that's because I spent the time fixing it already. So I did edit and then change the category and then close, save and close. So there we go. I've gotten the assignments ready to go. And we're ready to start grading. I'm going to show you what grading looks like now. Okay, so here I am. I went back to my Google Classroom. My AP students have already started doing their work. So they have a couple people have turned in their stuff. So I'm going to show you how to grade. So I go to the first student. Normally for projects like this, I'd probably just grade straight down the list. It's a little bit quicker because I'm not going to really look at whatever this is completely. I wouldn't be judging and putting little notes on it. So then instead, though, I wanted to show you the rubric grading and how to actually look at the artwork. So I click on that artwork, and right now I'm clicking on everybody's because you can see it takes a long time to load. So what I found is to open up tabs with everybody so that it's loading. See how that blue circle is going? It's loading while the other person's is getting graded. And that way you can have all of your 32 and then just go down. But I recommend, doing an X, closing it out when you're done. So here I gave her a 4. I was going to rate something on Fiona's, but then I decided not to. So I was like, okay, good, going on. This one I definitely wanted to write on. I gave her a 4, of course, because this is just an activity to do. So the rubric is, did you do it? Did you partially do it? Did you turn it in on time? So here I am writing a private comment. Only she gets to see this comment, and it does come to her in an email. And then I'm writing, please work on taking better photos. I will show you this week. So that is because obviously in this photo, I can't see the drawing as well as I should because it was, she left a shadow. And this is a really important skill for all artists to learn, but especially for the ones that are going to be in AP. So then I forgot what I was doing because I did this early this morning. And then now I'm back to Gwendolyn's. It still hadn't loaded. Those photos take a long time, and I don't think papers take as long. It's mostly just because photography of art takes a while. So here I'm looking, oh, I changed it from the one that I wanted because I wanted to copy and paste that comment. Normally I'd put those comments on a separate sheet of paper that I copy and paste from, or there is the comment bank right there where it has the comment sign. But again, sleepy. So I went ahead and I copied it again, grabbed it again, and then pasted it in this one. Because again, I want her to know that we need better photos. But I also, wow, this was cool. I liked this one. So I wanted to let her know that she did a great job on this. And so oh, forgot to grade, so got a grade. So I posted it. So when you grade, you want to press return. You can press return there, that's fine. Do it individually when you're done grading if that's your process. For me, it's faster in the end of just press return for everybody. I'm trying to save as many clicks as I possibly can. Clicks means time. So that's why I would go back to the front page. For some reasons, Gwendolyn didn't load, and that's probably because I'm quicker than the Google Classroom a lot of times. Again, just I'd rather be done with it, so I'm trying to get it done. So now we go back to the classroom, and you're gonna see that it's not been graded. So it has not pushed over. So it does supposedly push over at midnight. I have not seen that yet, because this is all new. But here it is. I can do the import again. And I'm going too quick again. And then it goes through the process. I did read online last night that you can stop the import and just have to redo what I just did, which was to import again. And it'll start right back up. But you do have to go through all of these yellow screens for it to import. Again, I'm hoping it does. I mean, they said it should, if the district did their scripting right, that it should all come in at midnight, and you don't even have to do this importing part. The one thing I would suggest is to do the categorized grading for sure, because if that's how you grade. But because it didn't come in with those categories, even though I have the categories set up in Google Classroom. So that was a little odd. Maybe it's a glitch that they haven't figured out. I will definitely email them about that. And if you ever have problems with ABI or Google Classroom, in our district, we have the ABI help desk. I think only administrators can talk to the ABI help desk, but maybe not. And then Google Classroom help desk is a great place to start, because we're all allowed to talk to to Megan over there. So great. So now I'm going to see it. I'm going to go back into my classroom, make sure it went in this time. And it did. Look, the 3 ladies got 100s on their first page of their sketchbook assignment. So that was great. And it's in the right category. It's purple, so I know that's the right one.